Think you mastered your trike? Think again. Here are the top 5 mistakes that can turn a smooth ride into a circus act. Before you find yourself sideways in a parking lot wondering what the hell happened, let's talk about the top 5 mistakes trike riders keep making and how to stop looking like a rookie in training wheels. Thinking your trike leans like a two-wheeler. Oh, this was a classic. Every new trike rider hits that first turn and almost slides right off the seat. Newsflash, trikes don't lean. You do. When you hit a curve, you're not counter steering, you're actually steering. So if you grab those handlebars like your Valentino Rossi in MotoGP, you feel the trike fight you like a stubborn mule. Pro tip, ease into the turns. Lean your upper body slightly into the turn and keep your arms relaxed. Otherwise, that first turn is gonna feel like a free upper body workout that you didn't sign up for. Number 2, getting cocky because of that extra wheel. Yep, I said it. That extra wheel gives you a lot of confidence, sometimes maybe too much. You think, I got that extra wheel, I can't tip this thing over. And that's when you come flying into that corner faster than common sense would allow. Next thing you know, you're lifting that rear wheel and discovering gravity's evil side. Pro tip, a trike is stable, not invincible. Take it easy on those turns, especially when going downhill or when you have a passenger. Nobody wants to be that guy that ends up making the highlight reel in Trike Fails Volume 3. Number 3, loading it like it's a pickup truck. Listen, I get it. That trunk looks spacious, like it's waiting for your snacks and gear. But trikes have their limitations. And if you load all your stuff in the back, you'll mess with that balance. Too much weight in the back makes that front wheel light, which means steering turns into a wobbly mess. Pro tip, keep your load balanced. Heavier stuff low, lighter stuff on top. And make sure you pack it towards the middle of the bike. If your trike starts to feel like your handlebars are floating in air, you've overpacked your junk in the trunk. Number 4, steering like you're wrestling a bear. Here's another rookie move, death gripping the bars and muscling to the turns. Trikes steer differently because all wheels stay flat on the ground. It's not a wrestling match, it's more like a gentle conversation between you and the front end. Pro tip, relax your grip, keep your elbows bent, and steer smoothly. Let the trike flow. If your arms are sore after a 20-minute ride, you're doing it wrong, unless you're training for the World Arm Wrestling Championship. Next, forgetting that braking is a whole new game. A trike has a lot more weight and a wider stance, which means braking feels different. Slam on the brakes like you're trying to stop a two-wheeler, and you'll get jerked forward hard enough that it will strain your neck muscles. Pro tip, apply the brakes evenly and early. Don't stab them, squeeze them. Practice braking in the parking lot before trying it in traffic. And yes, practice means more than once. Trikes aren't motorcycles with training wheels. They're a whole different kind of beast. Once you get used to the different type of handling, you'll love the ride. They're rock solid, comfortable, and keep you in the wind longer than your knees want to. So take your time, learn your machine, and for the love that all that is chrome, don't be the rider that thinks physics don't apply. Ride smart, ride safe, and remember, it's not about looking cool, it's about not looking like a meme later.